Hello everyone. Welcome back to Sport Beat. Yeah, we are shooting a long video after a very long time. We have been giving you reels and spreading you updates about several sports, not only of cricket but also about football and kabaddi. So also you have heard that new Tottenham Hotspur owner, sorry, co-manager has came. Then India's almost out of this T20 World Cup. But okay, let it be. And also there has been controversy regarding that IPL should be banned or not. Okay, this is also another one. What I will say. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the retention policy, that is retention period of all the 10 IPL teams, that all the 10 IPL teams, including the two new. And let's see what our Master Bhushan has today in store for us. That whom do you think we will pick into the retention spot? So here we are going to start it right now. But before that, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the notification option. And here we go. So first of all, the team that I want to say is that of Sunrisers Hyderabad. So first of all, I want to ask you that how many players do you think should be retained
Mm,
of
I
Hyderabad?
feel, but looking at their squad, I feel they will retain three players, I guess. Two foreigners
Yeah.
and one Indian.
Who are they?
Two foreigners, obviously, Kane Williamson and Rashid Khan.
Okay.
They are
And the Indian?
surely the Indian. We have choices between Manish Pandey, but don't think so. They will retain him or else then Bhuvneshwar Kumar, but he's too going with injury again and again. So some kind of risk on him. Any other good player they have? They have youngsters then, or otherwise Ridhiman Saha. Or otherwise
Ridwan Shah.
they should retain only two players if they want.
Two.
They should build a new team if they want.
Uh, Williamson and
Rashid.
Rashid Khan, you were saying that they will be retained by the Sunrisers Hyderabad. Okay. Now we are coming upwards, and now let's come to the squad of the Rajasthan Royals. So first of all, how many players should be retained for the Rajasthan Royals?
Same three, or if they thinks might be four,
Huh?
because now
Four.
see, yeah, three or four. It depends on their team management now. So my retentions would be Stokes, Archer, and Samson. And if I want to pick fourth player, then I should pick Dubey, either Yashasvi Jaiswal, either Shreyas Gopal.
And no Josh Butler. Josh Butler is the highest run scorer currently.
Actually, but they can't leave Stokes or Archer too, man, right? So that's the problem. So they have to release Josh Butler, or then they have to take risk on by releasing either one of them, Stokes or Archer. So I feel Josh Butler.
Archer can be released. No, Archer can be released because Stokes you can use him as an opener as well as a finisher and even as a bowler also.
Yep.
So I think Archer will be the one who can get released. And Butler's form currently, if you see, he is the number one T20 batsman currently. If you see his batting right now in the World Cup.
Actually, I want him to. I want him to in their squad, but if Archer is fit, then and he is available to play, then they will surely retain him because he gives a good start in the power plays, takes wickets consistently. So I feel, and as we know how Stokes is, so they have to release Butler for that. Only two foreigner slots opened. So
Man, what do you think that if Butler would have been in the Rajasthan Royals squad during the IPL, what do you think? Would Rajasthan Royals have actually went much more further in the tournament?
might be because actually, but their I feel their weak point was their bowling, I guess, because only two of them were performing, Sakaria and Mustafizur, and they brought Dubey in later, but it wasn't very much effective. Batsmen were playing good. Samson was in good touch actually in phase two. That was a good sign for them. He was in a good touch in phase one too, and Yashasvi Jaiswal too, and they got Evan Lewis. that was a great addition to the team. Livingston wasn't able to perform, but now he is performing for England, as we see. So might be because of Butler, but actually their batsmen were performing very well and good. They were something weak in bowlers, so either should have played with Ocean Thomas or any other bowlers, but not.
Oh yes.
But things weren't the right for them, unfortunately. They lost very badly against the KKR, which costed MI exit a day before their match.
Uh, acha. So you are saying that Yashasvi, Sanju, then Archer and Stokes will be the main four leadership pick for us.
Actually,
Okay.
I feel, yeah, I know Yashasvi Jaiswal is a very great batsman, so they should give him more chances as they gave him in phase two. He was performing very good. So I feel,
Yeah. Okay.
and
Now
he's
if we
lefty
come
too.
forward, yeah.
He's left-handed too. If they pick any one right-handed opener, then the lefty-righty combination would be awesome too. So I feel
Yeah.
one hitter opening batsman like Roy or what, then it would be awesome. Roy and Jaiswal.
Yeah. Currently in the World Cup, we also see Jason Roy, but he has been out of form currently in the last match. But let's see, we'll see more from him in the upcoming matches. Now coming to the above, that is the most unlucky squad. That is the most choking team of IPL. I will not say RCB. I will say it's Punjab King. As you have seen the recent matches of Punjab, how they have beautifully choked in the matches. So now, as we have heard rumors that Rahul is surely going to leave the franchise. So now, whom do you think will be? How many players will be in for the retention and who are?
Sure, it is. Is it sure that Rahul will leave? But don't think so. Not official statement, any I guess from them, Rahul or KXIP, well, PBKS. One update was
So
saying that there is no official statement still, so can't assume that Rahul will be leaving. And now Rahul followed Mumbai Indians on Instagram, so people are like discussing Rahul coming to MI. People, yeah, man, Rahul. If Rahul enters auction, people are going crazy behind him. First of all, RCB.
RCB is a good captain
He
also.
will, yes, he will go very high in high bid, man. 12 crore plus,
But
almost.
I think that the new to franchise will have a huge impact than the others, as so that it will be having more money as compared to the other teams.
And
They will
actually,
be on
they have one plus point that they can pick the players for their team
oh,
before a mega auction. So it would be
yeah,
very,
yeah,
you can say, effective feature for those teams. If now, for example, if MI releases Surya or Ishan, so they will directly pick him into the team. So it would be easy for them, you know,
yeah.
directly player coming into your team without going into the mega auction and highest bid and all. So that's very helpful for those teams. Those are very lucky.
Yeah, obviously. And also now if we come to our next above, oh sorry, I haven't heard it yet. Who are your four leaders for Punjab? Now,
Mm,
how many players do you think that they will get first?
let me
How
check.
many players
Let
do you
me check.
think? Okay.
If Rahul stays, then I will go with Rahul and Shami.
Mayank?
Mm, Hi, we can pick him too because 3-1 combination too, right? Mayank, Chris Gale, Mandeep Singh, Mark Karam. Too many options.
And
Oh my god,
and if
we
you
have
see
Adil.
currently, yeah, and if you currently say that form of ATM Makram in the
Actually,
World Cup,
actually.
so don't you think that Makram will also be a perfect retention pick
Yes,
for Punjab?
yes. I I would like him to see in PBKs again because as we know he came to play. He was consistent in middle order and performing for the team, scoring some vital runs. So I feel if Rahul stays, then they should retain Rahul, Mayank. Shami. Okay.
Oh,
Or
okay.
then if they want, they can pick Aidan Markram or else Adil Rashid might be, or else Nicholas Puran.
Oh man,
Adil Rashid.
Rashid was. Oh man,
Actually,
Rashid was in the
I saw his name
final.
now and I remember it. Oh my, they have Rashid too. So
Damn, underutilized for
very challenging, man. Very challenging for team management. Whom to pick, whom to release.
me.
Very
Okay.
tough decisions.
But I think they almost 90% is going to be correct.
What?
Let's see. I think that 90% of our prediction can be correct as we know of the current form and the total discussion that is going to be the case. And also the rumors about several players regarding the IPL as we are hearing right now of Lokesh Rao rumor. Then we are hearing rumors of Hardik Pandya getting released, like this rumor. So I think
And
90% of our prediction might be. Yeah.
if I feel if PBK is releasing Rahul, then they should go with Mayank Shami and Markram and Rashid. It would be awesome then.
Okay.
Rashid is strong in your bowling section and Markram is good at he can open too
Yeah.
as you saw. So Mayank and Markram, it would be awesome opening pair too. Otherwise he can bat in the middle order too. So that would be flexible and helpful too.
Now we are coming to a team that literally lies in our race. The Mumbai Indians. They're
And
so this is the hardest one for Mumbai Indians because as you know what the squad is. This squad is literally an emotion for us. Literally the best squad that we have got in a recent year.
actually, mind
If
is
we
saying that
exclude the,
mind is saying that Emma should return sixth place.
but so who are I know Mumbai Indians will return fourth place at least, but who are the
According to me, Rohit Bumrah fix. Rohit
Rohit
Bumrah
Bumrah
fix.
fit?
Yes. If they want, actually, MI should be Kishan, but then they have to release Hardik Pandya. So it's a very big
Yeah, Hardik
question.
Pandya to continue to see that he is doing nothing at all.
But we know his ability. So, and what if we release him and he went to another team and plays very well after that in next IPL? So it would be costly too, man. Very hard decision. Other
So
anyways,
Rohit,
we have to. Anyways, MI can't. I mean that we are going to release any one of them, Sky or Kishan. Otherwise, both of them. Very heartbreaking moment.
what I again hear you that you want Ishan in that team, okay?
Yes, I will.
Uh,
I will keep
and
Ishan
yeah,
Kishan too. I will keep Ishan Kishan. So Ishan Kishan and Rohit open. So that would be good. And for
yeah,
foreigner slot, I will go for Pollard. Otherwise, Bolt. I,
bold, okay.
uh, but as you can, as you see, MI won't release Pollard, I guess. So we should try
But
Bolt in
Pollard,
option.
yeah, but Pollard has been the darkest color in the World Cup, and Bolt has performed terribly
Actually,
well in the
actually,
World Cup.
actually, if Bolt stage, it would be helpful for Mumra to the Bolt Mumra pair, Thunder Boom. It would be awesome for MI bowling section. So
Yeah,
very challenging.
okay. So if now we are coming to the fourth team that is the second best soccer team in the IPL, Royal Challengers Bangalore. So who are the four players? I think four will be written.
Hmm. Kohli, obviously. Kohli.
Kohli, Maxwell, obvious.
Yes. Actually, the big question is now who would be their next captain. Either they are selecting from this squad or retaining him or trying for any other player with captaincy abilities in the mega auction. So that would be the big question. Hmm, I feel now they should retain Kohli, Chahal, and Maxi. Hmm.
Among the Villiers.
If they want, they can pick him.
Hmm?
had not any doubt. But as I said that who would be the next captain, so I am looking currently at Chahal should lead the RCB. Yeah, I think so, but don't know. I don't know what their management is thinking.
And also, I have heard
Let's
a
see.
rumor that Chahal will be captaining the Haryana squad. It is Raj Mustaq Ali Trophy. This is a rumor, but he will be playing for the Haryana team in the Raj Mustaq Ali Trophy. I don't know that he's captaining or not, but there's a rumor that he will be captaining the squad. So we can also judge his captaincy on the next of Raj Mustaq Ali also. If you see, he will also get some captaincy experience by playing the matches. Okay.
So these are my four
So,
players. And any other foreigner, yeah, except AB de Villiers?
Jamison Hasalanga didn't play much well. But if you see right now, Hasalanga is shining down. And then what happens during IPL, what happens in international cricket?
Pressure.
Totally. Morgan, number one example. He was hitting 4 6 yesterday to Hasalanga. Morgan has been given
KKR fans be like, where were you in the IPL, man?
literally. Okay. Now we are going to the third team. Okay. So the third team that is Delhi Capitals. So I think, and also the rumor is that yes,
Iyer.
I will be leaving the team of Delhi Capitals because of captainship, because he wanted captain a new team. So RCB can target him also as a perfect choice for captaincy. So who are the four players do you think that will be retained?
I feel that Iyer shouldn't leave DC. DC management should trust on him because as he was captaining in the phase one, you can say ex-captain. So I will go with Iyer, Pant, Rabada, and Nodji.
I have found Ravada and Nokia. No Dhawan. Dhawan has been the most efficient performer for the team and
How,
also
but how long he will play, man? Age factor too. So then they have to leave one good. If not, as some reports Iyer is leaving, then I will go with Pant and Shaw. Otherwise, Dhawan. Then Pant, Shaw, or Dhawan. But I won't release anyone from Rabada and Nokia because they are the great men, both the pair South
yeah.
African. Actually, they will do the mistake if they release any one of them. If Rabada and if not, both are very good. Death overs, they are providing your death overs bowling and keeping wickets consistently as we are looking in the T20 World Cup too. So
Yeah.
they should retain those both players. But actually now the
Okay.
scene is as we saw that how salary would be for those players. So they have to they have to take very less salary, man. Six or eight
Okay.
crores, third or fourth player for. So I don't think so. They should agree or not. Let's see how their management thinks. Every management has their different opinion and some different
Yeah.
strategies. So it would be very awesome to watch mega auction and how the franchises retain players and how new franchises are picking the 2 or 3 players for their team before the auction.
Okay, now let's come to the second team, that is the Kolkata Knight Riders. So I know you will be going to say Venkatesh and Shubman Gill as the perfect choice. I know. Huh? No, you would be saying either of them.
Shubman Gill perfect. Shubman Gill
Shubman Gill. No Venkatesh.
from one season directly.
Huh?
If they
Can't hear.
feel if they feel they can retain him, I feel they should release Morgan.
They should be.
Morgan.
What? Oh, Morgan.
Find some new captain. Otherwise, make the captain DK again. I would.
No. It would be bad. DK is actually aging now right now. You see, DK will take retirement in the last I think 1 or 2 years.
Then, if they want Morgan, I would go with Shubman, Varun,
Hmm.
and then
Varun.
Morgan. Morgan
Varun
and
Morgan.
yes, Morgan and I would keep Russell, man. He is very dangerous.
Russell,
And
man.
yes, man. He will come. Man, he's very dangerous batsman. You can keep him telling that he's out of form, but he will come in the form directly, smash you very hard. So I will keep him in the KKR for the next IPL too. Any other
Okay.
potential players? Let me check. What we have other Shakib. Oh my God. Narayan. My God.
Narayan, yeah. But if you see Shakib also, Shakib has been one of the best performers in T20 World Cup.
Yes, he has been in good form since the start of this year. We have seen him. Good squad, yaar, man. Let's see. According to me, Shubman, Varun, Morgan, Russell.
Okay. And also now we are going to the final, not final, the number one squad, that is the Chennai Super Kings. So Dhoni and
Yeah.
who are the next three? Who are the
I
next?
feel they are going with 3-1 combination. As per
Who
me,
they say?
Dhoni,
Dhoni,
Ruturaj,
Ruturaj,
and Jadeja.
Jadeja, Jadeja. Okay, Jadeja. And
And
foreigner.
I have 3 picks for foreigners. Little bit
Oh,
confused. Either it would be Faf or
hmm?
Moeen Ali or Sam Curran.
Oh, oh
Moeen Ali,
yes.
man. Moeen
Samson
Ali.
hasn't been.
Yeah,
When Ali.
actually, but he was good in previous season, so can't underestimate him. This season was a bad season. Moeen Ali would be good addition. He can bat at 3. He can bowl in power play too. So I feel Moeen Ali would be the most, you can say, important pick. They should retain him, man. Actually, they and after then, if Dhoni then retires, their team would be strong too. So I feel Moeen Ali they should retain. I don't think so. Hopefully, Faf won't be going for highest bid, so they can buy him back in the auction. Hopefully, otherwise, new teams can pick him directly. So you can't pick him again. Hopefully, he is entering mega auction and CSK taking him back in the auction. Hopefully for CSK.
And why haven't you preferred Shardul Thakur over Ravinder Jadeja? Means you have not taken Shardul Thakur, who has been a better performer in the qualification.
But I feel Jadeja is that player X factor. He can perform. We know how the real Sir Jadeja is. Currently, he's out of form for that concern. But yeah, Char can't release Lord too. Actually, they should have given 5 players.
No
four
man.
one, 4-1 or 3-2. But for those new teams too, they need players. So I feel I would pick Jadeja. I know his capacity, how he performs and all. So hopefully, Shardul again same thing. Not to be picked by new teams, and but Shardul will go for a little bit high price in the auction.
Yeah.
Hopefully, surely, because his skills, great addition to the team he is. So let's see.
Okay. Now we are coming to the new two teams. So first of all, I want to say, ask you about the three players that can be selected by the CBC Capitals, that is of Ahmedabad City. What do you think? Which three players they should select?
David Warner can be the one because he's
David
sure.
Warner.
Yeah, he's sure. He would be leading any of the those one of the two teams, Ahmedabad or Lucknow. Let's see which team picks him. David Warner. I will pick.
Huh?
If MI releases Surya Kumar, hopefully
David Warner.
Surya Kumar and third player would be what bowler. Loki Ferguson.
Oh man, great one. It will be a great addition for the Ahmedabad squad. David,
Actually,
Surya, and Loki. Wow,
yes.
great addition. Now the rising Lucknow Super Giant. I know the team name will be another, but Lucknow, same owner, Sanjeev Goenka is running back to IPL. So who are your three picks? Lucknow, as we know, it's a home of Bhubaneswar Kumar and Suresh Raina. So which three players do you think?
The concern about Bhuvi is he's suddenly off form and not getting that rhythm, and his injuries concerns are too, man. That injuries just like destroyed his career, man. So if they want, they can pick him. I would be picking if any Rahul or Iyer, if they want any of them, Rahul or Iyer if their respective franchises releases them. So it would be great addition before auction. Rahul or Iyer. KL Rahul, as you can know, he would be going for highest bid probably in the auction. And Sunil Narayan.
Narayan.
Hmm. Or
Acha.
otherwise, oh man, Josh Butler. If they
Oh,
Rajasthan isn't retaining him too, then Josh Butler, Rahul. Just imagine that pair, Rahul and Butler. My God.
oh man. Rahul Butler
And
opening.
one foreigner bowler or all rounder. They can pick if
Venkatesh hai.
yes, might be good addition. He can bowl 2-3 overs too. Otherwise, I was looking for Sam Curran or else Chris Morris, hopefully, or any other player. Any other suggestions for foreigner all rounders? Some good.
Foreigner also.
David Vizay is the one, and who else?
To be honest, it's the Wanindu Hasaranka.
Actually, very good. Good team.
Wanindu Hasaranka, I can pick. Okay.
So if not Rahul Iyer, leave them. So we were picking Venkatesh Iyer and Josh Butler and Hasaranga. Top class.
Yes, absolutely great picks.
Otherwise,
So,
not Varindo Hasaranga, then Shakib Al Hasan or Sunil Narayan too. Or
oh
otherwise,
man.
David Vizay. We know him too. Or any other.
But let's see whether the association actually gets done to the auction or not. It's I have made a confession that either all I think from all the affiliate nations should given a chance in that. See, in Oman, if you see their talents are in the swing and also
Ishan
Ilyas,
Maksud, good
Jishan
all-rounder.
was the captain.
And
Yeah.
that bowler Bilal Khan, he is too great, man. Left arm pacer. And one
Yeah.
Kalimullah. So there are many good players, man. From Scotland squad too, as you can see. Greaves, Leask, and
Richie Barrington.
yes, Barrington, Bradwell. We saw him in the 100. And uh, Davy,
If we, huh?
Davy too. Josh Davy, bowler.
Yeah.
Josh Davy,
And even if you see
Wet,
from the
even
Ireland,
yes, Ireland has some good players too. Joshua
Curtis
Little,
Campbell.
yes,
Curtis.
Joshua Little too. He is a good batsman, bowler man. Joshua Little and Mark Adair, he is good bowler too.
Yeah.
From Sterling, they have Sterling to camp for any other. Simi Singh,
Oh yes.
so many options.
Yes.
These players should register them and franchises should buy them to build a stronger team. And
So guys,
I
yeah.
personally want Alex Hales to play from any one team. Man.
Oh man,
He
Alex is
deserves
the
any
most.
team. Man. Actually, when I am feeling very sad for him,
Yeah. So that's
I
pretty
thought,
okay.
as you know, how many 2 or 3 months back, the due to the COVID, England were playing with a new squad against Pakistan, you know.
England
So I was
yeah.
thinking that they should call Alex Hales, but they I actually we thought James Wins too. Some good players we forgot. James Wins, he is good too, performing for Sydney Sixers.
Yeah.
Yep, yeah, we will definitely know some good players from the best league too, happening in the December. Hopefully, option
Yeah.
would be late after than that in the January. So franchises should be going behind those players.
Oh. And also, we are knowing the 25th November, it's the last date for giving a retention list of all the 8 teams of the IPL, and the new teams will select players during the December 5th, and the mega show will be held in January month of 2022. And that's a wrap for this video. Hope you have enjoyed our video. Thanks, Bhushan Bhai, for joining us.
Well,
And here it is. Like, subscribe once again. And don't forget to click on the notification option. And that's it, guys. Enjoy IPL, the greatest sports league in the world. That's it, guys. Bye.
bye bye.